Voices sing and letters school. V is vibrant, bold and true. Let's all cheer for letter woo, woo, meet. V is for vegetables, healthy to eat. Carrots and spinach, tasty treats. V is for village, cozy and small, where friends and families welcome all. V, very cool. Voices sing and letters school. V is vibrant, bold and true. Let's all cheer for letter woo, woo, meet, meet. Violets blooming purple and bright. Vacations bring us pure delight. Victory dancing around. V is the letter with joy all around. V